All right, guys, got a 2020 F-250 Powerstroke turbo diesel right there. We didn't do any work on it. He's got the system done elsewhere, so he's got it all deleted off the turbo all the way down. 4-inch, it's hard to tell. The giant tip on it right there. The diesel stainless steel elbow. Then welding it on right there and right there. Give it a nice touch. So there it is, guys. Let you guys hear it in a second. And all we did was install sound decibels on it. Hit 98. So it's 4-inch from the turbo all the way back, straight pipe. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-250. Four-inch from the turbo all the way back, straight pipe, and then we did a tip on it.